The most common wild animal species are known to be found in Africa and the Americas. But few people know that Australia is actually home to some of the most unique and interesting animal species in the world. Are you curious about the giant and exotic creatures around the world? Do you know where they come from? Join us in watching this entire video to find out. And now, 45 wild moments of giant and exotic Australian animal caught on camera. Let's go! The wedge-tailed eagle, the largest bird of prey in Australia with the wingspan of nearly 10 feet, is a formidable creature for other animals. Its hooked beak is used to tear apart prey, and its sharp talons are weapons that cause harm. The wedge-tailed eagle's eyesight is several times sharper than other species, enabling it to track prey from up to 2 miles away, including kangaroos, which are also on its list of prey. In between the rocks, the wedge-tailed eagle has caught the attention of a kangaroo, which realizes it is being hunted and can only hide. Despite its wide wingspan, the kangaroo is unable to escape the deadly talons of the wedge-tailed eagle. A prey as large as this is enough to feed the entire eagle family. All animals must be cautious of this giant hunter. Roger, the world's largest male kangaroo, standing up to 2 meters tall. For male kangaroos, the biggest threat comes from their own kind, and they must learn to become warriors. This male kangaroo rules the grasslands alone. Today, a challenger has emerged for his title. When two males confront each other, all kangaroos will stay away as spectators of this battle. The fight begins, and a kick to the back is a dangerous move. The struggle for power does not allow either to yield to the other. The cost of losing is high, including broken bones and internal injuries. So far, the defending champion is holding the upper hand in this fight. Can you guess who will be the winner? Let us know in the comments. A giant crocodile measuring about 4.5 to 5 meters in length is sunbathing on the riverbank. The presence of the filming crew has disturbed it, and their boat has to move quickly as the crocodile has turned towards them to attack. This giant crocodile is crossing a waterfall in the wilds of Australia. With its large size and body, its attack power is many times greater than that of an ordinary crocodile. A body length of over 9 feet, the Parenti is the largest lizard in Australia. A formidable top predator that few animals dare to challenge. Its senses are finely tuned to seek out prey. In the arid deserts, in addition to the animals in Parenti hunts, it also scavenges for carrion. But this giant lizard craves a more luxurious meal. with its sights set on kangaroos. It targets the weakest kangaroo in the herd, and the venom that the giant lizard secretes paralyzes its prey. The hunt begins, and the kangaroo, with its advantage in speed, manages to escape the attack of the giant lizard. Which then turns its attention to its real target, the mulga snake, the world's most venomous snake. With great focus, the giant lizard successfully captures the mulga. A delicious meal that will fuel its future hunting expeditions. Cassowaries are known as the planet's most dangerous birds, but these featured giants are shy and prefer to stay hiding in dense tropical rainforest. They often eat both eggs and chicks captured by wild pigs. In addition, they also act as seed disperser for forest trees because cassowaries eat seeds and excrete them along their walking path that can stretch for dozens of kilometers. Australia's echidna is one of the world's rarest egg-laying mammals. They have a thick layer of fur on the outside with spikes on their body and legs for self-defense. Their long, small, and sharp snout helps them dig holes to search for food. And notably, echidnas have no teeth in their upper jaw and only use their lower jaw to grind food. On a rocky path, the echidna is using its long snout to dig into the ground to search for food. At this moment, it looks very much like a hedgehog. Extremely cute. Not only that, but echidnas also know how to swim. In the clear blue sea, the echidna uses its short and stubby little eggs to swim from one shore to another with skill like seals. Off the southern coast of Australia, a species of animal only found on the island of Tasmania, the Tasmanian devils, reside. Resembling small wolves with thick black fur and pointy ears, Tasmanian devils are meat-eating animals that will consume anything they find, whether alive or dead. This Tasmanian devil had a good meal when the body of a wallaby washed up on the beach. Its sharp teeth crushed the meat, even the bones. In a nearby cave, two baby Tasmanian devils were waiting for their mother to return and provide them with milk. But hunger forced them to seek food. Dry sticks were not a bad option. Two Tasmanian devils confront each other. The growls developed into chilling snarls. Communication through sounds is important for fighting. And scent and smell are also important for Tasmanian devils to communicate with one another. The tawny devil is a small lizard with a round body covered in small spikes on its back and longer spikes on its legs. It has a soft bump on its back called a false head. that tricks potential attackers. What's special about the tawny devil is that it can self-hydrate through its skin. It only eats ants and sits beside ant trails to easily obtain a meal of thousands of ants with each feeding. Since ants are present all year round, the tawny devil never runs out of food. It's a master of camouflage and hiding from predators by using the sharp spikes on its body to blend into bushes or sand in the desert. The taiga coal is a carnivorous animal with the second largest push in the world, spotted fur and a long pointed snout, and strong sharp teeth. Known for its ability to attack from above, even the largest marsupials have to be wary of them. The taiga coal's sensitive nose has caught the scent of its prey. It approaches slowly, sometimes stopping to avoid detection. When it is close enough, the taiga coal attacks and captures its prey. With its strong jaws and sharp teeth, the taiga coal quickly digests its meal, satisfying its hunger. The duck-billed platypus is rarely seen on the water's surface, but in spring, male platypuses often seek out a mate to lay eggs. The shape of the platypus is no different from that of seals. But what's special is that this platypus has a duck bill on its tail. The platypus uses its agility to avoid the attacks of nearby Tasmanian animals by darting away. Only when it goes into the water can one see the astonishing resemblance between the platypus and seals.
Secretary birds generally prey on small rodents, amphibians, and reptiles, but these ambitious birds were seen hunting and catching a scrub hare. The birds took off after the young scrub. Accurate strikes to the head and spine crippled the hare in a short time. Are you impressed with how this bird hunts? Watch this incredibly unique sighting of a gray-headed bushbrick attacking a fruit bat that fell to the ground. The fruit bat was not in an ideal position as they struggled to take flight from the ground. But with a little determination, the shaky fruit bat was able to escape and fly back into the safety of the tree. By hanging upside down, they are able to easily launch themselves into flight if they need to escape. Geese are the bouncers of the bird world and know how to protect their territory. But watch how this hard-as-nails baboon doesn't bat an eyelid when attacked by these geese to protect their precious eggs. The baboon was undeterred because it was too hungry to give up the goose eggs. The effort has paid off. The geese give up and the baboon got a good meal. The heron was on a hunt and didn't take its attention off the reeds. The long legs were walking carefully and probingly. It stared into the reeds while standing completely still. It then wiggled its body and went in for the kill. The incredible accuracy of this gray heron to help it successfully capture a mouse. The rat struggled in the hunter's beak, but within seconds, it disappeared without a trace. Truly a terrifying predator.
Australia brings us countless surprises with its giant and bizarre animal species. Moreover, there are rare and endangered species here that need to be conserved. The wild animal battles in Australia are just as fascinating as those of lions and tigers in Africa. Don't take your eyes off the screen and continue watching the most brutal battles in the world that we have compiled. Which moment did you like the most? Leave your comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see new wild animal videos every day. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. We hope you have enjoyed watching our video. See you again soon.
Hello, welcome to Animal Moments channel. Animal Moments is a channel to explore the wild animal world. We bring dramatic, exciting and creepy scenes when wild animals come across their competitors. Do you love to see wild animals like leopards, lions, tigers, hyenas or hippos fight for their lives? Subscribe to the channel to watch videos that are broadcast regularly every day. I hope you're having a relaxing moment on the channel, Animal Moments. Goodbye and see you in our next video.